South America celebrated the 11th International Day of Yoga with great enthusiasm as teachers, students, spiritual masters and members of the Indian community came together to mark the special day. The Consulate General of India hosted the International Day of Yoga at the iconic Ipiranga Museum. São Paulo has been celebrating the day since 2015.
See, we just finished celebrating the International Day of Yoga here in São Paulo at the iconic Ipiranga Museum grounds. And it was a very successful event with lots of enthusiastic participation from people of São Paulo. City government of São Paulo was very cooperative. They offered us this iconic site, the Ipiranga Museum, and they partnered with us.
Congratulate the Prime Minister of India for this event, this Yoga Day. One world, one health. It means that everybody must be connected for the peace of the world. Yoga has a great contribution for that. You start the peace within in yourself,